Slider windows are a popular choice in many Clinton Township homes thanks to their clean look, easy operation, and ability to let in plenty of natural light. But like any part of your home, they don't last forever. Michigan's changing seasons, cold winters, humid summers, and everything in between, can take a toll on even well-installed windows. Knowing when it's time to replace your slider windows can help you avoid higher energy bills, ongoing repairs, and unnecessary discomfort. Here are the most common signs your slider windows may need replacement. Your energy bills keep rising. If your heating or cooling costs seem higher than normal, your windows could be part of the problem. Older slider windows often lose their seal over time, allowing drafts to sneak in during winter and cool air to escape during summer. In Clinton Township's climate, inefficient windows force your HVAC system to work harder, driving up monthly energy costs. New, energy-efficient slider windows provide better insulation and can help stabilize indoor temperatures year-round. Difficulty opening or closing the window. Slider windows should glide smoothly along their track. If yours stick, jam, or require extra force to open and close, it's a sign of wear. Dirt buildup, warped frames, or damaged rollers can make daily use frustrating. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, frequent problems often mean the window has reached the end of its lifespan. Replacing old sliders restores convenience and improves safety, especially in rooms where windows may serve as an emergency exit. Noticeable drafts or cold spots. Feeling a chill near your windows, even when they're closed, is a clear warning sign. Drafty slider windows let outdoor air enter your home, creating uncomfortable cold spots in winter and warm areas in summer. This is especially noticeable during Michigan's colder months. Modern replacement slider windows are designed with advanced seals and insulated glass to keep outdoor air where it belongs. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fog or moisture trapped between the panes of glass, the window's seal has failed. This problem can't be wiped away and indicates that the insulating gas inside the window has escaped. Once this happens, the window loses much of its energy efficiency. Replacing the window is the best way to restore clarity, insulation, and overall performance. Visible damage or warping. Cracked glass, rotting frames, or warping around the window edges are strong signs replacement is needed. Moisture exposure, age, and temperature changes can cause window materials to deteriorate over time. Damaged slider windows not only look unattractive but can also allow water intrusion, leading to more costly home repairs if left unaddressed. Outside noise is more noticeable. If street traffic, neighbors, or outdoor noise seems louder than it used to be, your windows may no longer be providing proper sound insulation. Older slider windows with single-pane glass or failing seals do little to block noise. New replacement windows with upgraded glazing can significantly reduce outside sounds, creating a quieter, more comfortable home environment. Your home looks dated. Sometimes the signs aren't just functional, they're visual. Outdated slider windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and interior style. Replacing them with modern designs can instantly refresh your home's appearance while increasing its value. This is especially important if you're considering selling your Clinton Township home in the future. Know when to upgrade. If you've noticed one or more of these issues, replacing your slider windows can be a smart investment. New windows improve comfort, energy efficiency, security, and appearance, all while reducing maintenance headaches. For Clinton Township homeowners, upgrading worn slider windows is a practical way to protect your home and enjoy it more every season.